Okay, today we're going to recharge the Ring Video Doorbell 2 battery, and to do this you're going to have this special screwdriver that you should have received when you bought the Ring Video Doorbell 2. So you need to locate that screwdriver, and then we'll go outside and remove the battery by removing the cover, or after we remove the cover, and then go ahead and recharge the battery. Okay, so once you are ready to remove the battery, underneath you will see a little screw underneath, and you're just going to loosen that up. Make sure you don't drop the screw. Okay, once you remove the screw, then you just pull the cover off, and you can see, and make sure you don't lose that screw. You push in and remove the battery. Okay, then we're going to just hook the battery up to the charger, and you'll see that the got one green light, one orange light ready to be charged. And the next thing you'll want to do is go ahead and reinsert the battery, put the cover back on, and put the screw in. So you go ahead and reinsert the battery, and then you go ahead and put the cover back on, and then we will go ahead and reinsert the screw. It goes right into the bottom, and you can see where that goes. Make sure you always put the screw and the screwdriver where you can find it. So you insert the screw and then go ahead and tighten it up. The last thing you want to do is just go to your app and take a look and make sure that it's showing that your battery is fully charged. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thank you.